What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. This one is an exclusive that I'm really surprised that I was able to cop because it was a European exclusive. And yeah, you know, when it comes to copping off of it, especially European sites being in America, the chances, unless you're running like proxies or, remote location type deal, stuff like that, chances of you copping are pretty slim just because of the distance and everything else. But they dropped at 3 a.m. Shout out to Sneaker Twitter for this one. He dropped the. I didn't even know about it until he posted, and I was like, "Oh crap! Yeah, those things look cool. Let me jump on it." So, 3 a.m. came around. I downloaded their app. I was on it, and they let you pre-select. So I pre-selected, and I just hit add to cart and immediately added to cart, and they were sold out. Like I got it added in, I got it checked out, and went back to look, and they were gone. Like they dropped a few more sizes, but yeah, pretty much they were gone. So shout out to Sneaker Twitter for the little assist on that one. So yeah, as you can tell by that little question mark right there, a lot of people don't know about this, but this is size. It's a UK retailer, kind of like sports shoes and stuff like that. They do a lot of things. The company themselves is owned by JD Sports Fashion PLC, which is like the main corporate center. And they own quite a few different retailers out there besides Size. So, but I mean, check them out. Size.uk. It's Size with a little question mark. Hence the question mark. They look pretty cool, man, but I mean, not very practical for everyday purchases being over in Europe. And not to mention, I don't know exactly where these shipped from because they covered up the sticker, but this thing has like 7 stickers on it. It was shipped from wherever it was in the UK to another place in the UK, to Miami, Florida, to Austin, Texas, to Atlanta, Georgia, up to New Jersey. Then it was passed off to the USPS. Then it was sent down to Tennessee and then over to North Carolina. Why would you do that? Charlotte, North Carolina's got an international hub. Just send it straight over. Why would you send it all? And the shipping was only like $10. Like, I'm pretty sure $10 was burned out from the UK to here, and then they just put it on extra. Like, I don't know, but let's check it out. I'm gonna open it with a normal big blade box cutter. Just because, random sticker. Can't do anything crazy on it. When I saw these, I fell in love, though. This is another thing. If this could be shipped 7 different times on multiple different carriers and make it to me in one piece with what looks to be like no padding whatsoever in it, how is it that a box being shipped from me to Detroit to StockX can get crushed and destroyed? That makes no sense. But whatever. That's just me. So, inside of the box looks pretty cool. It's got at size official, size with a question mark. Here's the receipt. It's caused a car accident. Sorry about that. It's taped shut. Now, as a lot of y'all know, whoa. Okay, that's even better. Alright, so I selected a size 11 UK, and even on their website it said a size 11 would be an 11 and a half. It would be a 12. But the Nike Air Maxes, the Air Max 1, runs like a half size big, so 11 and a half actually fits. I got the Sean Witherspoon's 11 and a half, and they fit like a 12. But they sent me a 12. So, okay. I'm not complaining. So, these are the Nike Air Max 1 size exclusive Safaris. Yup. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, pump the brakes. Pump the brakes. Ooh. Wow. Okay. Okay, here we go. Yes. 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 Let me get that out of here. They come with different laces, which is cool. You got your white laces, then you got your grayish colored laces. The cool thing with these, besides the fact, I mean, you got your premium, put extra emphasis on the premium. It's premium dark gray and light gray leather. And then you got your safari print that's going around on that. Then you got your orange mesh kind of sock liner and toe box. I even like the way they did the bottoms on those. Matches perfect with the little black air bubble on it. Like, come on, come on. What does the inside say? Oh, the inside even says on both of them actually, Safari. I'll put an actual picture up so you can see it, but it's got Nike Air and Safari printed on the inside. So this is part of the size exclusive pack that included the Air Max 95, and it's the Safari pack. So they did have an Air Max 95 on it. I didn't really like the way that one looked too much. But the Air Max 1, come on. You can't go wrong with this one, especially in this look. Like, come on. You cannot go wrong with this. Let's go ahead and throw it on feet real quick, because I can't. I just got to do it. I got to get this on foot. Yeah, so the inspiration for this pack was the 1987, the original 1987 Safari release, and it was designed by Tinker Hatfield. This one wasn't, but the original 1987 Safari pack was. They actually recently re-released the original Safari shoe earlier this year. I think it eventually sold out, but it didn't, like right off the bat. It was a really weird looking shoe, but it had the exact same color palette, everything. And I'm just going to go ahead and say these are really comfortable to begin with. But, they did really good on this. I think the Safari print was meant for this shoe. You can just look at it and tell. And it's actually really cool, the Safari print right here. Tinker Hatfield, back when he was a young designer, he was at a luxury furniture store somewhere, probably out in California or New York, and he noticed a couch that had ostrich skin on it, and he thought that that was like the coolest look. And at the time, he was trying to figure out, another good material to use to make a shoe because he was trying to think like outside the box. And when he saw that, he was like all over it. So he wanted to make a fox version of it. So because I mean, you're looking at laws and how difficult it would be to come across the real thing and stuff like that. And that's where this came into play. He just took leather, and there was a bunch of different things that worked and didn't work, but ultimately they came out with this. So this is fox ostrich skin, which makes the safari print. And I mean, ostriches are in safari, so, and it came out looking like what you would expect safari print to look like, with the exception of like printing palm trees and crazy stuff like an African scene on it or something like that. This is the next best thing. And I mean, there's not really that much that you can say about these shoes. Safari print and the safari packs are safari packs. Everybody knows about them. They've gone back to 1987. They've released quite a few. I don't think that they've actually released one in the Air Max 1 colorway, or the Air Max 1 design, though. And I'm glad that they did. Like, this is staying part of my collection, and whoever else out there was able to cop, great. Because I mean, you look at the Air Max 95; those are going for just above retail. You look at the Air Max 90 or the Air Max 1. I think it was like 160 or 150 after tax and conversion and everything. And currently they're going on StockX for like 350 to 400. So can't go wrong with that. And it was really easy to cop. Didn't have to use a bot or anything. So you just had to download their little app, and you had it. It's got Nike Air on the back. Everybody loves that Nike Air on the back. It even has Nike Air on the tongue. So can't go wrong with it. How many of y'all were able to cop? What do you think about the shoe? The shoe is amazing. Like, I personally, I love it. There's like no flaws on it. It could be because of the whole European drop or not. I don't know. But it feels good. Definitely luxury leather. They spent the extra time on it. Whatever they did right. So keep it up, Nike. I'm loving it so far. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Got a lot more bangers coming. This is just the beginning of the climb of the shoe Everest. You know what I mean? There's a lot on the way. So make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm going to have a poll dropping for reaching 500 for a giveaway, so y'all can select what you want, and then we'll go from there. And I still really appreciate that. Thanks a lot for reaching 5. When we reach 1,000, that'll be just another one, and that'll be an even better giveaway. So let's reach that 1K. All right. But yeah, until next time, I hope y'all stay safe. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.